Right, so back in the garage, just want to quickly show you on the Hornet how to change the inspection or oil change interval. So yeah, when I turn the ignition on, we're faced then with the inspection light and the oil service. Because of the date there, you can see which it's now August 2024. This bike has just over 500 miles on it, and very little use, possibly going to sell it. But if this then comes on and you just want to reset the service warning light information, whatever you want to call it, then you can just go ahead and do that. So for the main menu, got the arrows here. If I hold that 2 seconds, menu will come up. Then you scroll down to maintenance, one click across again, and then that gives you more information. This is all in the owner's manual, but it's sometimes easier just to have a quick look at a YouTube video. So yeah, you've got the inspection and oil service, including inspection. It has been serviced. It had its first service by the dealer, but obviously then the date's not being adjusted. So when you scroll across, all I'm doing there, if you look at the screen as well, just moving across on the arrows, and I'm going to up the date to, let's go up, so I'm just clicking on the up arrow. Let's go to January, February, let's just go for April next year. Down and across, we'll up that to April next year. Just going around, back again, there we go, and April 2025. I've changed the date to April 2025, and the next service is currently saying 7,800. I am going to massively lower that. So all I'm doing is clicking the arrow down. I'm going to down this to 2,000 miles, as well as the oil change. So I just go in and across one, down one, across to the other one, and I'm going to also down the mileage, because at 500 miles currently now, there's no way on earth I'd ever leave a bike go more than a couple of thousand miles before another oil change or inspection. I like to do my bikes either after a big tour, a couple of thousand miles, probably never ever more than 3,000 miles, or once or twice a year, because oil changes are stupidly important. And then we just come out of that, one click left, click left, click left, oh, hold down left, sorry, and we come out of that and get rid of the whole menu. And there we go. If I turn ignition off and then back on again, the service information warning, whatever, doesn't come back up. So that's how you do it. Peace out.